Why an organization should use the ROI methodology is because it helps them not only show accountability for investments in people, processes, and initiatives, but it gives them the information they need to improve those processes. Too often people think of return on investment just as the accountability piece, the financial payoff, and that in fact is what it is. But the process, the ROI methodology, generates 6 types of data, ROI being one of 6, and it's the other types of data that give us information we need to improve those programs and projects. So any organization that is really focused on operational excellence should consider using the process because it ensures we're allocating resources to the right investments, but it also ensures that we make adjustments along the way. Again, it's all about process and program improvement.
ROI Institute uses the needs analysis to maximize the impact of your learning and leadership programs. First, we help you to identify your business needs. What do you want to achieve as an organization? Then, we identify what your people need to do in practice to achieve these business goals. Next, we define what knowledge, skills, and behaviors your people need to learn to make the required performance possible. What do they need to know and be able to do? And finally, we define the preference needs of the program design. What makes the program relevant for participants? How should the connection be made with daily practice? And how can it contribute to the performance improvement of participants? After the needs analysis, we define specific and measurable goals at each level. At the end of the program, we measure how well these goals were met at each level. First, how satisfied are participants about the program? And to what extent is it relevant, necessary, and important for success? Second, what did people learn? Third, do they apply the knowledge, skills, and behaviors? Fourth, what exactly was the impact on your organization? And fifth, we design and deliver an evaluation plan, which will make the return on investment of your program visible. Participant in the Leadership Performance Scan will automatically receive their personal leadership performance report. This report will give them insight into their strengths and weaknesses and will help them to formulate their business leadership plan, consisting of personal development goals and goals on a higher level, such as improvements to your company's KPIs. For the organization, there can be an anonymized management report, which can be the basis of an infographic that shows the impact of the learning program. The ROI Institute recommends, based on criteria such as strategic objectives and cost of the solution, to bring 5 to 10% of the learning programs to an impact and ROI analysis. Learning and performance specialists will be trained in an ROI certification program. The system will enable them to conduct the ROI studies faster, easier, and with more impact. This concludes the short demo on how to measure ROI and business impact with ROI Institute. We hope that we could show you how easy it is when you use the ROI library, benefit from the process manager, tell the story with the impactful ROI report. Thank you for your interest and time. ROI Institute Europe, your partner to accelerate learning and improve performance.